Secondary Schools tab to follow along with the live stats provided to you by Basketball Manawa 2 and Murphy Rogers averaging 12 points a game to get us underway.
And that is something you don't want to allow.
Kicking to the corner, another good Kuruwhiwhi Toru attempt. Tomai, eventually they've got a fall as Wellington College run out with the easy score.
However, you are right. You want to find different ways of scoring if not successful straight away. Troy Plumtree knows about success of scoring.
Awesome to see all the fans, all the teams as well who have played earlier in this tournament coming down to show support. Is Jones to the hoop.
So if you watch the person who's defending the massive Will Blight setting the screen, he's just dropping off a little bit. He doesn't look to get up and pressure Hayden, which is what he needs to do because Hayden will work with what space he's given.
As Jonty Bond to the hoop converts the and one.
Yep, I like the patience there. Could have taken a semi-trans opportunity, but decides to slow it down a little bit. And Dov Silverstein, a very capable penetrator, as can be seen.
Jones in the corner, Kuruwhiwhi Toru is short. And that's what you can't have.
Plumtree.
I like the double on ball, then setting the away screen for Hayden to go to work. That's
pass.
A great find.
Another Kuruwhiwhi Toru doesn't even touch anything off the tupper, and away comes Wellington College. Great wall up. What a finish. And you've got to make sure you box out on the zone. Find your man.
Pass, mai te kokona. Hauporo ano.
Jones rising up.
Tough.
Beautiful finish, Hayden Jones tying it back up.
Ko te raru pia, just one issue of the Waimea 2-1-2 defenses. The more, as that three-point shot goes in, the more... Nei ai, tika tau, Andrew. They're sticking to their systems at the moment, Waimea. They need to do more of this. Get out before the zone can set up, but...
It allows second chance opportunities for Waimea, ones where you don't want to be giving them very often. Great find.
Oh my goodness, and that is...
And penetration before they got a look. It's a bit congested right now for them. However, Troy Plumtree can make something out of nothing. Not a lot of ball movement happening, and Wellington to put up some early contested shots.
Outruns Bracey, no contest. Ball into the hands of Plumtree, the danger man for Wellington. Wants to get to the hoop, gets to the hoop.
Ietahi wā tētai te pēhea neha. These teams have got to this level on the back of some great performances from some amazing talent.
Somehow tips that to the corner. Mastriani working the ball round. Silver. Oh, what a find and what a finish there, Mastriani.
Kura te take kua eke rātou ki tēnei kēmu. Angie, that's why they've got to this stage of the competition. They just look after the ball so well. Oh, blocking foul is the call from the Kaiwa Wild there, and one from Ezekiel Whitfield showing he can do it.
Can't convert another offensive two-upper. Kuruwhiwhi Toru is good for Dom.
Silverstein is wide open and he makes them pay.
Lovely kick to the corner there from Jones.
To respond to the Wellington College three-point shot.
Jones. And you've got a feel if Waimea is going to be in the ascendancy in this one, he's going to have a big Kuruwhiwhi Toru.
But I think you're happy with him trying to slice and transition there. That's lovely. Little stop and pop.
Out to the corner. Another Kuruwhiwhi Toru blocked by Plumtree. And it just feels like Wellington as we get down to their last possession. Happy to give up those corner Kuruwhiwhi. An easy advantage, can they, Maya?
No, and I just want to shout out Will Blight with an incredible hard show of defense, but the defense...
They moved the ball well. Jones just left his foot in the paint a little too long as Plumtree up and in. Screen there, so this could create himself off the left wing. Into Bloody Nose Lane, kick out, Bracey.
There you go.
And that's the thing, Maya. I mean, if they're going to create offensive opportunities like that, no real need for the timeout, but...
Totally agree, and he's doing such a great job. Hamish Dale takes a tumble on the baseline.
I want to have a look at that rid. Nice little handoff there, and I enjoyed Tomai. Every time they catch the ball, they're looking to square up. As and one for here. You don't want this to get to 15 points where you've really got to change up your game plan. At 10, you can still roll the way you're going as Jonty Bond.
Ngā hua o ngā mahi William Blight, he's come on, he's got 3 rebounds.
And being a high shooting team, if they do get hot, this is a very easy deficit to cut back.
6 for 28 is lovely little finish there from Country. Those Kuruwhiwhi Torus, if the rebound comes out, it's going to come further out. Just crash the boards a little bit too hard as Hayden Jones and one.
This is the do or die. You have to take any risk you possibly can.
Absolutely.
Zeke to the hoop, short, Turapa up and in. Boys AA final of 2023. Williams into the lane with the right hand, and that's just two-possession lead, because that could be monstrous, wouldn't it, going into the fourth quarter, Maya?
Totally.
How quick was that? Time ball game here for Wellington College. Dov, great little skip pass to Ezekiel. Kuruwhiwhi Toru, Murphy Rogers.
He answered.
Tomai, day number 6 and still playing full court. How fit are these young men?
Oh, pakari rawa atu. Oh, away.
Looking to spin, goes into the corner. Still no Plumtree for Wellington College. Another Kuruwhiwhi Toru, it's good, and that's the perfect response to. Can't forget, at home, Wellington College lost 2 games in pool play. It brought in the prelim quarterfinals a few years ago, courtesy of Connor O'Fee, and it's just showing Myers that it's not how you start the tournament, it's how you finish. It all goes out the window when you get into the last couple of minutes. Plumtree Black into the game, and one. Waimea. He's not going to ask for an on-ball. He wants to go at Silverstein. Pulls up for 2. That's 2 points. Oh, you take any points, I think, at this stage, Tomai. Maya, what are you seeing in the stats as they go up and in again?
Wellington College.
As we see Jones already back into the game, so maybe just a little breather, Tomai, just to calm his head down as he gets back into the game and puts the ball into the hoop. 2-on-2, great transition defense from Wellington. And we're going to see an on-ball, not made very easy from Mastriani, but to the hoop, to the corner. Jones, Kuruwhiwhi Toru! We can top the semi-finals we had yesterday. Waimea Wellington College showing me that I know very little about basketball.
My goodness.
For here, that could do it. Waimea need to defend with their lives. Rogers to the hoop. Tough look, tough finish. Bracy, Kuruwhiwhi Toru, no good. Can Blight get up there, saves it into Jonty Bond. 14 seconds to play to the hoop. And finishes. Jones in the corner, Kuruwhiwhi Toru is no good off the topper. Blight again. Williams, step back, Kuruwhiwhi Toru. Also no good, and that's going to do it in 2023. Your boys national champions, Wellington College taking down Waimea, 77-72. As we take a look in the huddle as they celebrate, and boy have they deserved it.
Māori Active.